Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's Kitchen. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Kelewele. Kelewele is one of the most popular street food in Ghana. It's sweet and spicy and full of flavor. The enticing aroma of the Kelewele will attract you whenever you walk on the streets of Kumasi. So I hope you will like and enjoy this recipe. For the ingredients, you will need ripe plantains, and I'm using about 6 of them. For the spices, you will need garlic, ginger, onion. You will also need fennel and aniseed. And to make kelewele, there are some key ingredients that is a must to be used. You will need cloves, Hwentia, grain of Selim, dry chili pepper, and Calabash Nutmeg, which is a must. It adds a very unique flavor to the kelewele. So to start with, I'm going to wash the plantains very well. Next, you peel the skin and cut into a bite size or any size of your choice. And if you are enjoying this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch and supporting my channel. So I'm going to continue to cut the plantains until it's all done. Next, I'm going to transfer all the spices to a blender, and I'll go ahead and wash and cut onion and ginger, and I'll add it to the spices and blend. Next, I'll add a little bit of water to the spices to help it blend. I'll now continue by adding in the spices to the plantains to marinate it and let it sit for about 30 minutes before frying. I'll also add a pinch of salt to taste. I will now cover it with the cling foil and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And now after 30 minutes, the kelewele is ready for frying. And I've already preheated the oil, so I'll now transfer the kelewele in the hot oil. And once you transfer the kelewele in the oil, don't stir it straight away. Just wait for a few minutes before stirring, because once you stir it straight away, it will mess up with the spices on the plantains. And after a few minutes, you will then stir and cook on a medium heat until it's nice and golden brown. And as you can see, the kelewele is smelling so good. The aroma in my kitchen, oh, it's smelling so good, and it's looking so beautiful, and it's almost done. And at this point, the kelewele is all done. So I'll now transfer it into a strainer, let it cool down. And I'll continue to fry the remaining kelewele until it's all done. And at this point, our delicious kelewele is all done. It's smelling so good and looking so beautiful. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. And kelewele goes very well with peanuts. So remember to add some peanuts to your kelewele. And I hope you like and enjoy this recipe and will give it a try. So thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you do like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.